Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how you can buy Saitama without any gas fees. So yes, let's start the video. But before starting, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, press bell icon as well. Keep supporting the channel. So yes, let's go. As you can see, I am onto my computer screen, and you can see the current price of Saitama is 6 zeros followed by 1405. And you can see we have seen the price difference of price increment of 32% in the last 24 hours. That is crazy. The numbers are crazy. And you can see the trading volume has also increased by 108%, and we have our total trading volume in the last 24 hours is 237 billion, sorry, million, not billion. 237 million dollars of trading volume in the last 24 hours. Let's see where it is listed. And yeah, let me show you. And you can see here is a detail of this one as well. And here are the markets and exchanges where it is listed. So first one is Uniswap. Uniswap is an decentralized exchange. It means like Pancake Swap for Binance Smart Chain contracts, and Uniswap for Ethereum based smart chain contracts as well. So this is an Ethereum token, so that is why there is an option of Ethereum. But the problem with Ethereum smart chain is that there is a lot of high gas fees. So like if you buy a token of $100, you will get only for 80 or maybe 70, because $25 will be gone in the fees. So there is very high probability of the fees in Ethereum. So that's why I don't recommend buying in Ethereum smart chain. That's why we will go with the second option, which is Gate.io. But I will show you both of the options in this video, the gas fee one and without the gas fee one. So let's start the video. As you can see, I am on to the uniswap.com, and what you need to do, you need to copy this contract from here. And yeah, once you are here, you will see Ethereum, and you need to click here, and then you need to just paste that same contract address. Once you paste, you will get this one as well. And after that, you need to just click on connect wallet, and you need to install MetaMask and other some wallets as well, in which you have Ethereum as well. If you don't have Ethereum, you need to buy Ethereum and transfer that to your MetaMask wallet as well. And in this case, you will get a lot of high fees. If you buy for $500 of Saitama, you will only get for maybe 410 or maybe 390, 380. So this is the problem with Ethereum smart chain contract. But what we are going to do in this video is that we are going to avoid that fees. For that, we will come to the Gate.io exchange. I will give the link of this exchange in the description. So yeah, no worries. You need to just click the link on the description or the pinned comment section, and you need to just create an account on the Gate.io. This is simple. This is simple as Binance. This is simple as Coinbase exchange. But as you know, Saitama is not listed on Binance. Saitama is not listed on Coinbase exchange. So yes, we are going to buy with the help of Gate.io. So you need to click on sign up. You need to type your first name, second name, and email, password, and all that stuff. And yeah, you will get a sign up bonus of $50 if you deposit $150 in this exchange. So what you need to do, you need to buy from my link. This is an affiliate link. I will get the benefit. You will also get the benefit of creating an account of with $50 as well. So once you create an account and you log in, then you need to just come down and just type Saitama, and you can see here it is. And you can see here is all the details of Saitama. And you need to have USDTs. You need to buy some USDTs. You can buy with the help of credit card, debit card, whatever you want to use. Okay, then you need to type the amount of Saitama you want, or the total USDs of Saitama you want to buy. Okay, so once you have login, there will be option of buy, and once you have login, you have an option of sell here. Once you are willing to sell. So this is very clear. This is very easy, and no need to go for that high Ethereum fees. You just need to buy with the help of this exchange, Gate.io. And yeah, you need to type the amount of Saitama, or you need to type the amount of USDTs, like maybe 100 USDTs, 200 USDTs, 500 USDTs. In this way, you will get, if you buy for 500 USDTs, you will get for like 498, 499 USDTs of Saitama. But if you buy from this method, you will get only for like $300 worth of Saitama, or maybe $400 worth of Saitama. Many people were saying that they are getting very less amount of Saitama when they are buying with the help of Ethereum. So yes, this is not recommended. What I recommend, what I use is this exchange, Gate.io. and yeah, you can buy the wealth with the help of this exchange. So yes, this was the tutorial. I really hope so you have smashed the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press bell icon as well. I have made a video on Shiba Inu, that how you can buy Shiba Inu without Ethereum gas fees. That is very easy. You can buy from Binance, you can buy from Qcoin, Gate.io, and this is again Gate.io. You can buy Saitama, Kishu Inu, and some other coins as well, because it is world's ninth number exchange by the trading volume. So yes, this is trusted exchange. This is not going anywhere. So yes, yeah, you can buy with the help of this one. This is just for educational purposes. So yes, this was the video. See you next time. Bye.